Hi, welcome to AdYogi's platform demo. Today we will be learning about creatives. By the end of this video, you would have a better knowledge on how different types of creatives work and their importance. There are three different types of creatives: custom, smart, and dynamic. Let's get started one by one. Custom creatives. These creatives are fully customizable based on format, content, and images. Brands have complete flexibility over selecting which product to promote, changing product images outside of the catalog, promoting banner images for sale period, running attractive video for better user experience and brand engagement, etc. There are multiple ad formats that support custom creatives such as carousel, slideshow, newsfeed, video, stories, etc. Next is smart or catalog link creatives. These are the creatives that are pulled from the product catalog and are linked to specific product sets. The catalog is refreshed on a daily basis, which filters products according to their status in stock and out of stock, and relevant products picked based on product-wise performance and user response. There are three categories of catalog link smart ads. First, Ad Yogi categories. These ad categories are customized by Ad Yogi on basis of traction that product receives on the website. For example, discounted, most viewed, top selling, high value products, etc. Second, website categories. These are product sets that are linked to different categories present on the website. Example, dresses, pants, shirts, etc. Category ads are helpful if there is a specific category that is top selling for the brand. Third, custom categories. These are the product sets that can be created with customized specification directly on Facebook. For example, kid shirts from 2 to 4 years or kid shirts from 5 to 7 years. And the last one is dynamic creatives. These creatives are catalog linked and restricted to run on the limited product sets like in-stock products. These ads help you engage with your website visitors based on funnel like product viewers, add to cart abandoners, previous purchasers, etc. by showcasing the exact product and high relevant products that they have previously engaged with your website. These ads always have a higher conversion rate and can run in carousel and slideshow formats with attractive overlays. Now we will learn how to create these creatives. So click on create section, then click on creatives. Here you will see all these ad formats. So we will be starting with custom creatives. Click here on go to custom creatives, and then on this page you will see all the creatives which you have created and the relevant data of these creatives like spend, CTR, number of sales and add to carts. And from here you can take the necessary step whether you want to pause the ad or update the ad according to performance. By clicking on edit button you can edit the creative. I will show you later how to edit the existing creative. Then you can pause the creative from here if it is not performing, and from here you can see the ad preview after creating the ad, how it is looking, and from here you can select the duration and compare the performance of the ads. Now we will see how to create these creatives. So click on create new. So here are 4 different types of ad formats: carousel, slideshow, newsfeed, video. So we will learn each of them and learn how to create them. So first of all, I will show you the dimensions of these creatives. So these are the image dimensions which we require for creating these creatives. For carousel, the image size should be 600 by 600 pixels. Same for slideshow. And for newsfeed, the image size should be 1200 into 628. Then for video, same as carousel, and the video length should be up to 30 seconds. And for Instagram story, it should be 1080 into 1920. And for Instagram video, video length should be up to 15 seconds. So these are the image dimensions which are required to create the creatives. So now we will see how to create these creatives. So first of all, for carousel ads, so here you have to write ad name. So this is for your own reference, and this name will not be visible to the audience. Second one is tags. So create a tag of your choice according to the product you want to promote or the category or collection. This is also for your reference and will not be visible to the audience. So from here you can create a new tag. This is the placement. So the first placement, your ad will run in automatic placement like feed and stories mix. And second one is for story placement. So if you select this radio button, so your ad will appear only on in story placements. Then here is ad text. So provide an engaging ad text which defines your product and explain clearly what you are selling. Preferably 1 or 2 line of ad text is recommended. So here is the example of some of the ad text. Here you have to write the description. If you are running any offer, you can mention it here, or like you mention here, free shipping or COD is available. Here are few examples. This is your catalog. So this is the catalog which is automatically fetched from your website. All the products available on your website are visible here. So by clicking on this drop down, you can select any category or products which you want to promote. So select a minimum of 3 images or maximum of 10 images. So from here you can select the images and automatically the product title, product page URL and price will appear. And if you want to upload images which you have customized, so you can upload them also. So click on add new and click on this option, and here you can upload the image and crop the image according to preferable dimension, or you can skip cropping also and submit it. And here you have to manually type your product title, product page URL and price. So in case of customized images, when you are uploading them, so you have to edit these type these fields on your own. Then here is the gender. So this is a woman apparel brand, so here gender is selected automatically. But if your website is for both men and women, so here at the time of creative creation you have to select the gender, whether it is for men or women. So we have one new feature called overlays. So from here you can add overlays to your images. So overlays can help you to place a banner on the ad. So often when you are struggling to compete with similar looking posts, consider using overlays, as this breaks the uniformity and makes it easier to catch users' attention. Since it refreshes the creatives, it is a good way to avoid ad fatigue for the targeted audience. Here are the different type of overlays. So first of all, you have to select this checkbox, and then you have to select the product from the catalog, and overlay will appear like this on the above of the image. This is price overlay. Then next, if you want to select strike through, so this is how it will appear. Then next one is image overlay. So these are the image overlays, and you can select all festive overlays also from here. And this is the preview of these overlays. And third one is brand overlay. So when you select this, so logo of your brand will appear on these images. So for using each of these, you have to select the respective checkbox, and then you have to select the products from the catalog. When everything is done, then you have to click on next populate into campaigns. Then your ad will be created. Then you will see a option skip and populate later, and skip and save as draft. So then click on that option and your ad will be saved in draft, and you can populate in later in the respective campaigns. So this is how you can create the carousel creatives. So now we will see how to create slideshow. So here you have to write ad name, same like that only, tags, then placement. Then you have to write here ad text description, and you can write the headline also here, like new collection for the season or anything else you want to promote. And here you have to write the landing page of the ad, so where you want your customers to land. So I will show the preview also of this ad. So this is the preview of this slideshow ad, and then you have to select the images from the catalog. So minimum 3 and maximum 10. And same, if you want to upload the customized images, so you can click here and select the images, and here you can select this overlay, price overlay, and same like carousel, it will appear here, and rest everything is same. You have to click on next populate to create the creative, and then click on create the creative and save in draft. Then your ad will be saved in draft. Then next we will see how to create newsfeed ads. So from here same, for everything is same. Just here you have to upload a newsfeed image of different dimension, which I told you earlier. And also you can upload here image for newsfeed image for story dimension. So that the images will not get cropped when they are shown in newsfeed of stories, and rest other things are same. And I will show the preview also. So this is the preview of story newsfeed image. And if you want to create a story image story ad, so you have to click on this option. So in case of carousel ads, if you click on this option, so you can select only 3 images, and if you want to select more than 3 images, so you have to select this checkbox, and you will be able to select more than 3 images, and this images will keep on shuffling on a weekly basis. So in this way you don't need to update the story ads twice a week. So you can update the story ad once a week, and this will keep on shuffling and rotating twice a week. And the last one is video creative. So everything is same, and here you have to upload the video which with the dimension which I have mentioned earlier. And you can also create the videos from our platform. So I will show you how to create these videos from our platform. So for creating videos from our platform, so go to video section. So here you will find the single product video option. Click on this. So from here you can select one image which you want to promote. And the images related to that product will get uploaded automatically, and all the relevant information also. Then click on next, select template. From here you can select the template whichever you want to choose, and then click on next, customize video. From here you can customize all these things according to your preference. Then click on next, add audio. From here you can choose the audio files, and you can also upload audio file which you want to use. Then click on confirm and finish, and then this your ad will be created. Then you can upload this ad in video library. So from here you have to click on pick from video library, and the video which you have created will appear in this library, and you can pick this video from here and upload it here. Now we will learn how to create smart and dynamic creatives. So the starting procedure is same. You have to click on go to Smart Creatives. Then this page will come. So for creating new creative, click on create new. And here you can see all the categories which we have discussed earlier. So from here you can pick the category whichever you want to promote, and then write ad name, add text, description, create a tag, include price. If you don't want to include price in your smart ads, then you have to click here. Slideshow creative. If you want your smart ad to be in a slideshow format, then don't change this. Otherwise, you can click on no and your ad will appear in carousel format. Overlays. You can use overlays in your ads. To use this, your ad should be in carousel format, so you have to click here on no, then click here yes, and you will see all these overlays. So as discussed earlier, price overlays, strike through overlays, image overlays, and brand overlays, these are same as custom ads. And there are two new overlays for these smart ads: discount percent and frame overlays. So for using each one of them, you have to click on the respective radio button, and then you have to select it. So I will show you example for these two overlays. So this is how our frame overlays will look. And this is how our discounted overlays will look. So you can use these overlays, and this will help in increasing CTR of the ads. And at the end, you have to click on create creatives and your ad will get created. So now we will learn how to create dynamic creatives. So you have to follow the same procedure. Click here. Then on this page, click on create new. So as discussed earlier, you know there is only one product set which is selected automatically. Write ad name, add text, description, tags, and rest all the things are same. So here is one feature called auto rotate of ad text. To enable this, click on this, and here you can put up to 5 ad texts at a time. This will keep on shuffling on a weekly basis. So it will automatically rotate the text on a weekly basis. This helps in improving CTR and avoid ad blindness of the ads. And at the end, you have to click on create new to create the creative, and then click on skip and save in draft, so that your creative will be saved in draft and you can populate it. Now I will show you how to update the or edit the existing creative. So for editing the ad text, we have a feature called switch to express update. So you have to click here, and from here you can easily update the ad text of your existing ads. So you have to write here new ad text, description, and click on update. So you can do this in custom, smart, and dynamic creative. So this will help you to easily update the text of your ads. And if you want to change the images of your ad, so you have to click on this edit button, and from here you can change creatives. So click on this delete button and you can upload the new images, or if you want to upload a customized image, so you have to click on upload and upload the images. And at the end, you have to click on update the ad, and your ad will get updated with the new creatives.